Yo, it's PTK. What up, though? We out here shooting a video for Snowstorm. 'Cause it's a snowstorm coming, bitch. And yo, it is very cold as shit out here. Got my man Big Dog E out here with me.
Hey, what
chilling,
it do?
Chilling, literally chilling out here with me.
Chilling's cool. We trying to get this video done.
Big shout outs at media out here with us. And hey, just a quick reminder too. After this video drops, January 7th, we got Love Language coming, and then for Valentine's Day, before Valentine's Day, February 11th is Red Flag, so please be sure to go check both of those out. And
stay tuned. We might have something coming in between those two.
Who knows?
You never know.
Let's
Stay
see
tuned.
what the weather blows in.
Cape Northbrook, unpredictable.
Yay.